Hi, my name's Ciara from Ciara's Home Yoga, and this is Yoga for Courage. Courage and confidence comes from doing the things we hate and fear to do. How does that translate to our yoga practice? By helping us move through fear, because when we look after our body and our breath, we can cope with all our emotions, including fear. Also, when we feel good in our body with good posture, we feel more courageous and confident too. So let's get started today. We'll start seated on our mat with our legs crossed. And as always, you can sit on a cushion or a pillow or a bolster if that feels more comfortable for you. In our seated position, we'll inhale our arms to the ceiling, look up. Exhale, we'll twist to the left, looking over our left shoulder. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, we'll twist to the right, looking over our right shoulder. And again, we'll repeat this flow a few times, moving with our breath, and move at your own pace here. We're not forcing in this twist. We're just warming up our spine. Last one. And release. We'll make our way to sitting on our mat now with the soles of our feet flat on our mat. Hands on our knees, shoulders back and down. Inhale, we'll arch our back, look up. Exhale, we'll hold onto our knees, round in our back. Inhale, arching, look up. Exhale, bringing our chin to our chest and squeezing our navel to our spine. One more time. Making it a moving meditation by moving with our breath. And release. We'll cross our legs in front of us and we'll make our way to tabletop with our hands under our shoulders and our knees under our hips. We'll rotate our hands so that our fingers are pointing towards our knees. Inhale, drop our belly, look up, arching our back. Exhale, bringing our chin to our chest and squeezing our navel to our spine. And one more. And release. We'll point our hands forwards again, tuck our toes. Inhale, we'll drop our belly, look up. Exhale, we'll make our way to down dog, having a generous bend in our knees. Inhale, drop our knees, drop our belly, look up. Exhale, back to down dog, drawing our chest to our thighs. Last one. Inhale, drop our knees, drop our belly, look up. Exhale, back to down dog. And we'll stay here for a few breaths. You can walk out your feet if that feels good. We're drawing our chest to our thighs here and our tailbone to the ceiling. Inhale, we'll raise our right leg up to three-legged dog. Exhale, bending our right leg, heel to our bum. Inhale, we'll straighten our right leg again. Exhale, we'll step our right foot forward between our hands. Option here to stay up in your lunge, or you can lower your knee to your mat. We'll bring our left hand flat on our mat and we'll bring our right fingertips behind our head. Inhale, we'll point our right elbow towards the ceiling. Exhale, point our elbow back to our mat. And again, inhale, elbow to the ceiling. Exhale, elbow down, back leg strong. Inhale, elbow up, shoulders down away from our ears. Exhale, elbow down. We'll lower our right hand back to our mat and we'll heel toe our right foot out to the outside edge of our right hand. Lowering our back knee to the mat, our foot is pointing out at a 45-degree angle. Option to stay like this, or you can come onto your forearms. Whatever feels better for you. Or for a third option, you can come with me for corkscrew pose, where we'll bend our left leg and hold on to our foot with our right hand. Our shoulders are down away from our ears, and we'll breathe deeply here. Breathing like we do when we move with our breath, with long, slow inhales and long, slow exhales. And release. We'll heel toe our right foot back between our hands again, before tucking our back toes and making our way back to down dog. We're drawing our chest to our thighs here and our tailbone to the ceiling. Inhale, we'll raise our left leg to the ceiling to three-legged dog. Exhale, we'll bend our left leg, bring our heel to our bum. Inhale, we'll straighten our left leg again. Exhale, we'll step our left foot between our hands. Option to stay in your lunge, or you can lower your knee to the mat, whatever feels better for you. We'll bring our right palm flat to our mat and our left fingertips behind our head. Inhale, we'll reach our elbow to the ceiling. Shoulders are down away from our ears. Exhale, pointing our elbow to our mat. Inhale, elbow up, back leg strong. Exhale, we'll point our elbow to our mat. Last one. Inhale, elbow up. Exhale, we'll point our elbow down. We'll bring our left hand back to our mat and we'll lower our right knee to our mat before heel toeing our left foot out to the outside edge of our left hand. Our foot is pointing out at a 45-degree angle. Option to stay like this, or you can come onto your forearms. Or for a third option, you can join me, where we'll bend our right leg and we'll hold on to our right foot with our left hand. Shoulders down, chest open, and we'll breathe deeply here. We'll bring softness to our face in this pose, checking in with our jaw and behind our eyes and letting go of any tension there. Breathing deeply. And release. We'll heel toe our left foot back between our hands and we'll step back to tabletop. We'll walk our knees back an inch or two and lower down onto our belly for some cobra flows. Hands under your shoulders. Inhale up to cobra, shoulders down. Exhale, we'll raise our bum and make our way to child's pose. And again, inhale, bringing our bum to our mat to cobra. Exhale, child's pose. Last one. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child's pose. And we'll stay here for a few breaths, checking in with the contact our body is making with our mat. From our hands to our forearms, to our knees, our shins, the front of our foot and our toes. And breathe deeply. And release. We'll come forward to tabletop again now. Tuck our toes and we'll make our way to down dog. Inhale, we'll step forward with our left foot between our hands. Exhale, we'll swivel on our back foot to come to warrior two. Knee above ankle, pelvis tucked, shoulders back and down. Inhale, we lean back. Exhale, elbow to knee, reaching forward. And again, inhale, lean back. Exhale, elbow to our knee, reaching to the front of our mat. Inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, we'll bring our hands to our mat and we'll step back to down dog one more time. Inhale, we'll step forward with our right foot between our hands. Exhale, coming to warrior two. Right knee over right ankle, pelvis tucked, shoulders over our hips and shoulders back and down. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, elbow to knee, reaching our arm over our ear. And again, inhale, lean back. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, hands to our mat, and we'll step back to plank before lowering our knees to our mat. We'll cross our feet behind us and we'll come to sit at the top of our mat with our legs bent and our hands behind our knees. And we'll rock and roll here, squeezing our navel to our spine as we do this, holding on to the back of our knees, massaging the entire length of our spine. Last one. And release. We'll lower it down onto our back and we'll bring our heels behind our bum, close enough so that when we raise up in our upper body, we can skim the backs of our heels with our fingertips. Inhale, we'll raise our hips up to bridge. Exhale, lower down one vertebra at a time. Inhale, up to bridge. Exhale, lower back down. One more time. Inhale, up to bridge. Exhale, lower back down. On our next inhale, we'll come to a bridge and we'll stay here for a few breaths. Breathing deeply. Lowering down at any stage. And release, lowering our bum back down. We'll bring our feet as wide as our mat now and we'll move our knees over to the right hand side of our mat and the left. And again, these are windscreen wipers. And release, bringing our feet behind our bum again. We'll squeeze our right knee into our chest, straightening our left leg, flexing our foot. We'll hold on to our knee with our left hand and we'll twist to the left. Our right shoulder remains on the mat and we're looking to our right outstretched hand and we'll breathe deeply here. And release, back to center, feet behind our bum again. Bringing our left knee into our chest and straightening our right leg, flexing our right foot, moving our knee over to our chest and to our armpit and back again. When you're ready, we'll hold on to our knee with our right hand and twist to the right, looking to our left outstretched hand, breathing deeply. Our left shoulder remains on our mat. And release, back to center. Bring your feet behind our bum again. Roll to the side and push yourselves back up to sitting. For our last pose, we'll bring our fingertips behind our head. Inhale, we'll draw our elbows back and drawing our skull back too. Exhale, release. Inhale, drawing our elbow back, tucking your chin in very slightly. Exhale, release. One more time, last one. And release. And we're done for today. Please subscribe to Ciara's Home Yoga for more yoga videos like this. I upload a new yoga video every week. Thank you for practicing with me today. Take care and bye. Don't forget to please subscribe to my channel. I have lots of 10-minute morning yoga practices that you might like to try. I hope to see you again.